that the space will be enough before we sit down. Okay? After forward. Okay. Okay. In order for us to hear them, please be quiet now so that we can already start.
Hello. How are you? Can the ladies do it like this, girls? This is how we do it. And the boys do it this way. Okay, we have this very important gentleman here. Wherever the parents, thank you for coming this morning and respecting our very important children. On that side of parents, we respect you so much. My name is Nicholas. Here with me is Brenda. On the other side, wow, food. This morning, we are having Mercy Birds Show. Children, are you ready to see the birds? I think you're not ready to see the birds. Are you ready to see the birds? Okay, thank you very much. This side is ready. The other ones are not yet ready. Maybe when we bring the birds, they will also wake up. Otherwise, we are waiting. I sing this part. Habiba, blue and gold macaw. Habiba wants to jump. You want to sing? Okay, let's see what happens. Whatever happens, I tell you what the gives. Okay, let's clap for Habiba. Habiba, 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 Habiba. Let's go, Habiba. This one here. Habiba, come here. Only two to go, Habiba. This one here. Habiba, Habiba. Wonderful. What did Habiba say? You give me the word over there. The word says, we are smart birds. Very smart. And just like you children, you are smart students. Right, this is Habiba. In fact, Habiba is the oldest bird we have at Wow Zoo. She's almost 30 years. She's around 26 years old. Can you imagine that? This bird lives for 60 years. So it's still middle age. You want to see more birds? Wonderful. We love that. Habiba, let's see it from your side. Because the others are me. Those who say me, sit down. Students who say me, sit down. This is one important guest we have this morning. Madam, what is your name? You know, she's big enough that she can't mention her name, so it's, what's your name? She. You know her name? She. Listen here. Okay, Madam, she. All this. Aha. This is some very strong lady. Samson, can you fly this side through Shim's ring? Say it. Samson. Wonderful. Shim. Raise it high. Higher. Shim. Aha. Okay. Samson, fly through Shim. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Madam Shim. Now you have to feed the bird. Give it this small seed. Aha. Wow. Go and sit, Madam Shim. Let's go for Shim. Amazing student. Now, we get another boy. Let's get this boy. Young boy, come. What is the boy? The boy, come. You know the boys are shy. Let's go. You see how Mama did it? Okay, Sensei, let's go again. Wow. Let's go for Mama. very much. Thank you very much. Your daughter can feed. Let us all stand up. Children, you know, when we are here at school, when we are at home, we have to respect our countries of origin and our host countries. So we want to ask you to remain standing. Do you know how to sing the Filipino anthem? You know how to sing the Philippines anthem? Okay, our parents will sing the anthem. If our parents don't sing the anthem, voila, trouble here. Huh? Okay, our parents from that side, we want to sing the Philippines anthem. After the Philippines anthem, we shall sing the Saudi anthem. Alright? Okay, whenever we are ready, our DJ, let's play the Philippines anthem. Let's go. Let us. But do you want to see more behavior? Okay, Suka, come this side with Brenda.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is a gray African parrot. That is the original name of this bird. And the given name is Amur. So on stage is Amur. But the original name is African gray parrot. And the gray color represents its original name. Since they are from Africa, that's why they are called African gray.
Amur! 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 Wonderful! Did you see Amur do it? Amur, you want to see it again? Okay, Amur, let's go and start again from the other side. Amur. Amur can live for 90 years. This bird can spend 90 years on earth, but he's still young, only 7 years old. So it's a baby like some of you. Do you want to see the birds? Okay, let's get the rope off and we bring on board another beautiful bird, Lina. Okay, now this one is called Lina. Lina is a blue and gold macaw. Let's tell you much more about this bird. This bird is called blue and gold because of this. I think it's blue. If you see that blue on the head and the tail, then there is this other yellow you see down here. So these birds live for 60 years like I told you. But Lina has got this very long tail. Oh, Lina, are you tired? Lina has got this long tail, so every time he's flying, he just moves the tail from one side, like that, and he's able to get the corners in the forest. And besides, Lina will spread the tail just like this, like that, and then he's stop. You see now, Lina flying? Okay, Lina, let's fly up there. Lina, this side, you have to fly towards me. This side. Lina wants to show you how he climbs the trees. Are you seeing how he's climbing the beak? Okay, Lina. Wonderful, Lina. Come over here, Lina. You know, Lina is such a disciplined bird. Hey, can you face this? What happened, Lina? Face this side. This side. Okay. I will give you one more. Whenever Lena is eating, she holds the food with her feet. And then after eating, clap the hands. Let's clap hands with Lena. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Lena, for that. Let's clap hands again, Lena. Wonderful. So next time, if your teacher, your parent, your friend gave you food, at least say thank you by clapping the hands. All right. Thank you very much, Lena. Come and say bye-bye. All right. We shall bring on board another beautiful bird. Are you ready for it? Okay. Let's bring on board Lily. Okay, now let us tell you about this beautiful bird. This bird is called umbrella cockatoo. That is the species name, umbrella cockatoo. But at Wauzu, the name we give them, the stage name or the nickname, she's called Lily. Whenever this bird is very happy, she will raise the crest and inform. Let's climb the ladder and walk up. Lily, Lily, then you slide down, Lily. Wow. Where is the ball? No one clapped for Lily. I think you're tired, Walla. You're tired, huh? You are tired, and you are tired, and you are tired. Okay, let's sit down. We sit down, we shall not get tired. Okay, Lily, one more time. Show them how you pose with the ball. Lily! 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 Wow! Lily, hold the ball! You see how Lily poses with the ball? Okay, that is how Ronaldo and Mo Salah, not Messi, Ronaldo and Mo Salah pose with the ball. Because we are the Madrid boys. Man, you our parents don't know. You, can you jump up to there? Jump up to there. Now you go and sit there. Go and sit there. To me, they don't jump around me. Let's go and sit there, children. Let's go and sit there. Let's sit here. Excuse me. You want? Okay, if I sit down, I'll pick you in one knee. If I sit there, if I sit here, sir. You sit here. Okay, thank you. You sit there. Now, children, let's see what Suka is going to do with the ball. Suka, show the children how you play.
Sit down, students. Sit down. Thank you.
Good. Suka, 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 Suka. Wonderful. Did you see that? Let's clap for Suka, people. Suka. 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 Oh. One. Okay, when did you last? But it is also good. Children, down there. I say thank you so very much for being so disciplined. I want to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. My name is once again is Nicholas. Here over here is Madam Amira. Over there is Madam Brenda. And over there is Mr. Shai. Thank you so very much, everyone.